is so sweet. He's literally just the sweetest little... Ah!
Program thing has chosen me. He has chosen me. Oh, what are we doing?
I got me a motherfucking fork. You
I need you to put the cat down. Please. Ask him nicely.
I will share my love of doing voices in unusual places. And all of the voices you are gonna hear during my performance will be coming from...
Go on, ma'am. Nana!
Good manners like that don't go unrewarded.
I am holding a letter. This is to my love, the most beautiful person I've never seen.
Yeah, you want pets? No, you want pets? Oh, you want hat? Ping.
Take a little bite.
Huh?
No, you went. You.
On your mark, get set, go! Oh man, we're gonna go!
Bless you, 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 bless you.
Marshmallow. Get you a big camera.
That's all for today. Thanks.
A Lego Town event that's not open to...
It's official. Oh.
What are you doing? Oh no.
Why are you still peeing? Magna!
Calm down.
This is literally the live-action version of Tom teasing a chained-up Spike the dog.
Kitten baby.
What a good boy!
Okay, ow.
Emails,
Do you have my back? Come on. Let's go. I know, they're gonna fight us. Come on. No!
To schedule your consultation with one of our
Все, хватит, я. Все, хватит рыть ямку, помогла маме, молодец.
Oh my god, an intruder! What is this tiny little thing?
Is your cactus your best friend?
Gary!
Are you in trouble? I think you're in trouble.
Work. I have to go to work. I have to. Kermit, there's a guy outside and he wants to fight me, and the cat is with him and he wants to fight you.
No.
Get off my kitten.
Okay.
All that to go, which I was bloody upset about. Oh no!
Get to like and subscribe for even more amazing animal moments. See you next time, and stay awesome.
Taylor. He's gonna lose. Oh.
Scents might make someone shocked, but definitely not the smell of a cucumber, buddy.
Good boy, Kenneth.
Go.
Hi!
Hey friends, get ready for some funny, chaotic, and adorable animals. Huskies don't usually feel too bad about what they've done, but every now and then there's an exception.
Adopting furballs this smart, you also got to accept that your stuff is going to...
She already knows every human trick in the book. Yeah, this dog definitely needs a new toy.
Inside. You wanna come in?
That's what makes dogs such great companions. They just go with it.
And then I'll grab my phone.
You...
The dog's after knowing, watch out for your food bowl. Your time will come.
Hey! Hey! Are you happy?
So, you're basically sleeping for the pregnant human too, huh, fella?
She's gotta sleep, Papas. Come on. Come on.
Oh my god. Is he actually? Oh my. Is Karen? Is this?
Really offended him.
Bombastic side eye.
Did you just do that by yourself?
Yeah.
Hang on. Oh!
Bro didn't lose the game.
What are you doing?
Looks like someone just wants to remind everyone I'm
Everyone.
You're what?
Ryan.
I decided to quit work.
He's on the side of the road. You're gonna get killed for sure. Someone just, oh no, it's a whole, oh my God.
Пугає уточку, так?
You do anything bad, I'm gonna spank you. I got me a motherfucking fork. You.
For a sleep addict, this is definitely an essential skill for getting some high-quality shut-eye.
She ain't moving.
Pets? No, you want pets? Oh, you want a hat? Bing.
Just happened.
别了，不行。你干嘛？你们咬这个。
Look at this. Momo just jumped in my.
This is what happens when dogs are left alone.
Don't eat my plants. Don't eat my plants.
Smart dudes don't see success as a destination, but as a stepping stone to a higher purpose.
cats always think they're being sneakier than they actually are.
Não é pra vocês. No snack. I'm sorry that you're mad. No snack. Snack later for lunch, okay? No mad. Oh, buddy.
This furbal's imagination is really vivid when finding this blue stuff a threat to you.
It's hard to be cute, but someone's gotta do it.
No digas que no, es el mejor amigo del hombre. Ven, dame, dame. Trae. Luffy, stay.
I want to get a picture of you and Nancy with it.
Nancy! Pose with it. Give it a kiss. Nancy!
If
Oh my god! You are a fox. Funky.
how scary can a smart one get when hungry? Like this.
Sitting here with my door open and this thing came in.
I can't let you outside.
Wait, do the thing. Oh my god.
Even the laws of gravity can't compete with a cat's Looks like someone has officially accepted their fate as an accidental foster dad.
I'm so hungry.
Our smart buddy hits different. Moving house feels effortless than ever.
Excuse me?
He's scared of the kitty.
You do anything bad, I'm gonna spank you.
Oh my!
Here. How about here? There? Okay.
He's gonna drown himself.
These two geniuses are like, so that's it. That's all there is to this lame game.
¡Dey! ¿Te estás chingando mi...?
Did you steal my phone? Did you?
What's wrong? Oh, good boy. You wanna miss chomping the people?
Și să mi-i pliculesc cu iepure, că mi s-a luat somon și vită.
See anything, buddy? Because all we see is the start of a failed mirror test.
Mr. Chief, face the camera.
¡Dey!
Looks like someone is...
Carp. Oh! And I fucking knew it!
You like your bed?
Yo. Oh, it's a baby. Oh, Papa.
Doesn't matter what the machine actually does. If it saves a few steps, you'll take it, huh?
She's gotta sleep, Papas. Come on. Come on.
That is your best friend?
Hang on. Oh!
Let's go! They can even be best duo. See ya!
I told you it was a little kitty.
Oh my
I thought it was a bobcat.
Dad, can we keep?
You tell him. You tell the puppies to be quiet.
Looks like he's had enough of their nonsense.
Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god.
Official. Oh.
Stop hunting me. Why are you?
Come on, this thing isn't even showing a sign of moving, my Mr. Coward.
Hole.
He acts like the groomer personally offended him.
Para que empieces a fregar conmigo, Rusty. Todo el pinche de ayer me tuviste cagando. Are you okay? Come here. Oh, dang it. Okay, come on. There you go.
That's his nose. That's the puppy's nose.
Dinner.
When you're constantly on high alert, even the air feels like a personal threat.